Recordings. Oh man, we gotta get the car back warmed up. Sure we live through this. Wonder if
All right, thank you very much.
you bet. Temperature up. Oh no, it's warm. It's not, I got cold sitting over lunch. I want to blow your car up, Tom. Or the tires. Or the tires. You turned in way too soon there, Tom. What's that? You turned in way too soon. Oh, you turned way too soon. Farm use only, no wonder. Yep, boy, I saw 150, Tom. It was 150, right on it. Not even trying. Ooh, nice and smooth. Manage, open the wheel, fly the gas, go. Get our spots. Nice gentle arc. Yep. Right up to the curbing. Get some gas. Next curbing, shifting away from that side, back to this side. Back to this side. And a little straight line. That's great. Grab the hook. Oh! Got it, Tom. Woo, he's way off. Whoa! Where are you going? Where are you going, dude? Come on, man. I think you got lost on the way to the grocery store. And that's an instructor? Okay, we'll get by him. shifting gears, so I'll go down to second just for you.
Do it.
Ooh, nice and deep. Oh, bad line, Lotus. Miniature Batman car.
Yeah, look at the grocery getter in front of it.
I know, he's really moving. He does really well, actually. You get a lot of groceries in that car. I understand that station wagon is really rare.
It is.
You can only get it in Europe or something.
Yeah, it's not your average BMW wagon.
Woo! A little weird. Listen to that baby. Go, station wagon, go! He's giving us a point by already. I can't even make it up there to full passing.
Yeah, he's cooking.
I mean, it's nice of him to point me by, but he gets to those corners like crazy. Whoa! Careful.
Good judgment call.
You must think I have like 900
He
horsepower.
must be to have a rocket or something.
Holy cow, man. Oh crap, you gave me the point by. Now let's do it here. You had to be tired of me following him or something, but good grief, you give me 5 point bys places where you'd never be able to pass.
Yeah.
I don't care if I had 1,000 horsepower, I wouldn't be able to get around to where he's pointing me by. Of course, I'm dragging a bunch of dead weight with me, too.
You got a huge sack of potatoes.
Yeah. Woo!
Jim in front of us.
Run, MR2, run!
Oh.
backing her down. We're gonna go in.
All right.
I just want to double check on the rotors again.
Yeah.
We got a couple of fun laps in.
Yeah, that was good.
Tried to scare you to death at a couple of places.
Yeah, there's some weird passing.
Yeah, and the red group is not all that unusual. That's why I was passing those guys at the entrance to the Snake, or entrance to uphill S's yesterday. But that guy in the station wagon,
Man,
honest to goodness, what on earth? It didn't matter if I had 2,000 horsepower.
You couldn't have got around
I
him.
can't get around you when you're flat on the throttle.
he was. And he was fast, too.
He's fast through those corners. I mean, what did he think?
He thought you had...
I mean, that's nice, but good grief, I don't care how much horsepower you had.
I can't wait to see the 3 wide.
And even if I was, running Hoosiers, there's no way I'd get around that in a couple of those places. But it was nice of him to keep pointing me by. I mean, that's nice.
Yeah.
But holy cow, that was fun.
The 3 wide entering into the uphill S's.
Uphill S's, yeah.
That was a little...
I thought maybe I'd just trying to do something every time to get you excited.
You did.
Make sure you're still in the game.
You had a great call by not taking the pass.
You didn't want us to go through the grass on the left-hand
Yeah,
side.
I think he would have taken you side by side all the way up.
I'm pretty sure. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, I don't know if that tops the Charlotte, doing 160 miles an hour, 2 inches from the concrete.
No, this doesn't top that.
Oh, well,
no, that's your record, Tom.
I guess I'll have to try again.
You're going to have to do better than that. That's going to be a hard one to beat. I think me riding with you at Daytona.
Oh, yeah, that would do it.
I think that would do it.
That would do it. Because coming across the start-finish line at 175.
Yeah, I think I would have to get out of the car.
Oh, man, that's good. Oh, got the recording to stop.